Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. This is Marianne, aka Uzumaani, and I have been gone for a while, and I have actually filmed several videos. I filmed them, but I just never posted them. I was just working on myself, working on my business, working on my job, and I just never felt the urge to post the videos. I did create videos, however. And here is a video I actually created last year during the thick of the quarantine and with the protests and everything that was going on. I still have this video on my computer, but I thought it's still relevant. It's still relevant to post these. Lives were still lost and your feelings and emotions are still valid. So in this video here, I just put together a couple of things I like to do that motivate me, that allow me to rest and relax and bring me back into a state of peace. To watch YouTubers, and as you can see here on the screen, I watch Michelle B. I absolutely love her. She motivates me with her cleaning videos, her organizational videos, her life videos are really inspiring. So find videos that motivate you, whether you're watching on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, whatever makes you feel motivated or inspired. Another thing I like to do is organize my day. So when I have an organization system to my day, it keeps me accountable. It helps me to keep track of everything I'm doing and allows me to put more information in more things in my day. So sometimes you can have a free-flowing day, a freestyle day where you're just chilling. You can just do whatever your body feels like doing. But other days, I like to actually push myself. So I actually like to use the reminders app on my iPad, and I plan out everything, and I use this bullet point system to just mark off everything I've done. And I set these reminders on a daily basis, so every day I'm reminded to them. Now at days admittedly, these can be a little overwhelming at first or on some days, so I will ignore them on some days, and in case it causes like any anxiety or anything like that, I will ignore them. But for the most part, these are really helpful to motivate me and keep me pushing. So what do you do to keep yourself organized? Do you use reminder apps? Do you use just your mind, your memory? Are you a notebook person? Are you a journal person? Find something that helps you remain motivated, something that helps you stay organized and keep track of your days. Because at one point during quarantine, the days began to feel very monotonous and never ending and unending. It just kind of felt like wake up, do this, news, back and forth, coronavirus, this, death, this, hate crime, and it was overwhelming, honestly. So having some kind of structure to my day really helped me to find peace and balance. Also, learning new things, reading new things, finding new hobbies, new interests, that really helped me out a lot. So I'm very open to learning new things. So I'm always trying something out. My friends and my family are always like, oh my gosh, here we go again. But really, it just keeps you alive. It keeps you excited. And I absolutely adore it, honestly. So I, leave different reminders to try to learn something new, like pray, coding, and so forth. Another thing that really helps me is changing my scenery. So on my devices, on my iPad, my phone, my MacBook, my watch, I will change my wallpapers. For some reason, that just really gives me a new sense of freshness. It's like a new season has emerged and I'm in control of it. So every time I change my wallpaper, it just feels really refreshing, honestly. I don't know about you. So I use this wallpaper app for my iPad, and it's really cool. There's a free version, and you can just save the photos. You can browse through the thousands of photos they have, and I will just really airdrop it to my phone and put that as my screensaver, which just really gives me a new freshness. It just makes me feel really refreshed. I know that's the word I can use, honestly. I hope you guys can relate to this. And sometimes I will have really dramatic wallpapers, but other times pictures of nature just really relax me. So I love this canyon photo. It's beautiful. What do y'all think? All right, so this one is kind of hard for the rest of us. Taking a break from the world. So when I say take a break from the world, I mean, what is the world to you and what causes a disruption in your life? For me, it's Instagram, and I have to take a break because it's like a false reality. So I love to just delete that app once in a while, take a break from it, and just go outside. I'll take myself on picnics. I'll try new drinks, try new recipes, and I play with my lovely dog here. Her name is Coco, and just really go out in nature. I believe we were created to be in nature, to be one with nature as God created us, and to just love the animals and the earth around us, to take care of it. Here's Coco. She's so adorable. Aww. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and stay tuned for more videos, more vlogs, and let me know if you like this kind of content. Bye.